Right, this is Callendar Square update demolition part, or update on the 17th. That's all basically the same. I head down here, or down the high street, in the bottom of the high street anyway. Yeah, well, typically they're not working. They'll literally just finish college. I was hoping to get a bit more demolition action, like the last several last videos anyway.
Good lad.
This is quite good because you can see how much they've kind of done when I've not been here. And you can see it there. Jesus. The high reach machines not are like the operators and stuff aren't on the site. Usually they're finished by about like 4, sometimes up to about 6. It's about 4:15 or quarter to 4, and there's like nothing happening, which is typical. Small machine was parked up there the last time. That machine there was obviously kind of getting stuck into that bottom bit of the hotel there, and then obviously the high reach machine is taking all the top bits in. But as you can see, that's how much I've done. A lot of that kind of bottom bit's been a lot. They've kind of sectioned a lot of that bottom bit off. Take it so they can get that small machine up. In fact, actually the stairs right there, right there, that was where the old staircase thing used to be. In fact, you could see just a wee bit of it just on the left hand side of that window that's all broken there. Where that bit of staircase is, that's where that thing used to be. All that's all came off it. And in that room there's been smashed in. Windows obviously gone. That bit there's been smashed into. Shower curtain's gone. And you can see right the way into that top bit now. As I said in like last couple of ones, I think they'll probably do that bit there last. Just to prioritise getting all that down, and then they'll either do that bit there, or they'll start focusing on that. In fact, where that kind of wall that's got the chimneys, that's as far as they would be going. If they didn't get a confirmation that from like the council to like go any further, so that's how far they would go. But it's possibly looking like that's going to come you push back a lot further, so like another 2 blocks right the way that way. But I don't know what's behind all this, so I'm not entirely sure. As I say though, I think I'll probably prioritise getting all that down with like a combination of that machine for the high bits and that one for the low bits. Over there for that jaw attachment is just behind it. That's where that muncher attachment that that machine there was using on that kind of bottom bit of the hotel. I think it's the same attachment that small machine there's got. Skips are obviously kind of getting constantly replaced. There was a couple of times where I have seen them where the skip lorries came in and taking skips away and stuff, but I've not got that on film. Because obviously I'm just here to film the actual demolition work and stuff. Or if I'm doing one of these kind of update videos, if there's any kind of stuff going on that's not demolition, like with that small machine the last time, in the last update video, doing a kind of bit of crushing there. Which is actually a lot clearer. Like that big pile of reinforced concrete that was there is like completely gone. That's like the only bit there was from that pile, and then that's all the rebar and stuff that they've crushed out of it. But yeah though, it's crazy how quick like this is coming down. Even though the operator who I was speaking to him said that it would take them quite a bit of time to kind of get through all that, because also it's all reinforced concrete. And obviously you can see like the last couple of, or last multiple videos, you can see all the kind of rebar and stuff that they're kind of pulling out and everything. And then obviously that's where like the last bit of Callendar Square was. That bit there is technically the full Callendar Square is gone. It's just that wee tiny bit there where the white pillars are just above that black and yellow machine. Where the top of that, where those windows are up there, that top bit, the floor just in front of that, that's the only bit of the Callendar Square that's still there technically. So the entire Callendar Square is basically gone. So it's basically just like the Antonine Hotel, and then possibly whatever those buildings are there, like a job centre and stuff. But yeah though, I think that'll probably be it for not only this video but probably this week. Or probably not until next Wednesday. The content from this demolition site. But I'll see if I can get up on Wednesday. After college. Hopefully get a bit more of this coming in. It will be interesting to see though how much this will be down by next week. So I'll see you then guys.